Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with prerequisites and the first actionable fixes. Make sure your iPhone is updated because many clock bugs are resolved in iOS releases. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any pending update. Once updated, confirm you can unlock the device with Face ID or passcode since you'll change settings that require authentication. Make sure the phone stays powered. Plug it in if under 20%, and then open Settings so you can move straight into Display and Lock Screen adjustments. Next, you'll adjust the display and lock screen settings to restore the clock. Start in Settings Display and Brightness. Set Auto Lock to a reasonable time. Sometimes a too short timer prevents proper lock screen rendering. Then go to Settings Wallpaper, choose Add New Wallpaper, and set it specifically for the lock screen to reset any corrupted layout. Also, check Settings Focus because Do Not Disturb or Custom Focus modes can hide widgets or the clock. Disable or edit the active focus, and make sure lock screen appearance isn't suppressed. To finish, restart your iPhone to apply changes. Hold a volume and the side button, then slide to power off and turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches. If the clock still misbehaves, reset lock screen-related settings. Settings General Transfer or Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears customizations. If that fails, restore from a recent iCloud backup or perform a DFU restore via Finder or a PC. Troubleshooting tip. If the issue persists after restore, contact Apple support to check for hardware or deeper software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.